Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes, this news, it matters. All right, you all, we got some deals for you to check out that you do not want to miss out on, right? Now, the first deal is going to be about wearable tech. The Gear S3 is still on sale, and we talked about it before. It's still on sale for $70 off. That brings it down from $349 to down to $279. That's 20% off this smartwatch, which is an awesome deal in the door, right? Now, you can get this from Amazon, you can get it from Samsung, of course, Best Buy, and Best Buy is taking it a step further. They're giving you a $100 gift card on top of it, right? You can take that $100 gift card and buy you some more accessories for your new Galaxy Note 9. All right, the second deal that we have for you today is going to be for the Galaxy Note 8, right? Yes, the Galaxy Note 8 is on sale. Now with Sprint, you're gonna get $400 off, which is gonna bring your monthly bill down to $23 and some change. Now remember, it was $40 a month when the phone first came out when you did not catch a deal, right? It's not a bad deal at all. Now Verizon has a deal. Theirs are gonna be $350 off this smartphone, and you're gonna pay $24 and some change a month. AT&T has a deal, right? This is for 30 months, but they're only giving you $200 off, but still a deal is a deal. Now, if you know anybody in the market for wearable tech or mobile tech, listen, hit them with the info, share the video with everyone that may want to know about these awesome deals. And with that, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.